What's up guys, this is Jacob from Fisher Jeep Adventures, and today we're going to be installing my new cube lights from LASFIT on my pillars, and I'm going to install a new LED light bar on the front of my Jeep. So usually LASFIT is a company that makes LED headlight bulbs that you can put into your factory housing, but they also have cube lights and LED light bars. Super happy with them. Their brackets were 80 bucks, but they have the little Jeep on it and it says 1941, and I think that is super cool. Their packaging is amazing. It's like opening a new iPhone. The cube lights were packaged very well. Everything was packaged individually. You got hardware, we got the connectors. I got a little ahead of myself because I get a little excited when I get new packages, so I already put the cube lights onto the brackets, so all I have to do is mount the brackets to my Jeep. But first I have to take the old one. Next thing we're going to do is take the old light bar off. Alright guys, we got the light bar installed, and I'm pretty happy with it. So that was all the new exterior lighting on the front end of the Jeep, and I hope you all enjoyed watching. This is Jacob from Fisher Jeep Adventures, and we'll see you next time.